Tonight, we have an eye-opening look at America's child care crisis. Working parents across the country are struggling to cover the costs, while providers are sounding the alarm that the federal funding cut last year is making it harder for them to stay afloat. CBS's Nikole Killion has our in-depth report.
Cora Hoppy was on the verge of shutting down her child care center in southeast New Hampshire.
You went from having $400,000
down to nothing, which is terrifying.
The center burned through its savings after hitting the so-called child care cliff last fall, when $24 billion in federal pandemic-related subsidies expired in Congress.
What has the impact been on your center?
Devastating. We went from 90 employees down to 70, and we had to make cuts everywhere.
She used the federal money to upgrade equipment and give raises to staff like Linnea Walker, who at one point was homeless.
You were working here at the center,
yes,
but also homeless.
Yes, I'm taking care of other people's kids, and I was feeling very inadequate because I felt like I couldn't provide the bare essentials for my children. That's a lot of the reason why people leave the field, is because we can't afford to live, but people can't afford to pay either.
Last year I paid $32,000 for my 3 children. It is more than my mortgage, for sure.
Jenna Anand has endured tuition hikes and worries she'd have to quit her job if the center closed.
I have the center and I have my husband, and that's it.
One study finds 55% of child care operators know of at least one program that has recently closed.
Our worst fears have been realized, that there are now fewer providers able to provide care for families.
While Congress approved $1 billion in child care assistance this year, the Biden administration has called for $16 billion to stabilize the sector. The only way Hoppy could keep her doors open was to beg her local city for help.
We need a fully funded system so we can support children's development and our economy. If parents and guardians have a safe place to drop off their children, they will be more productive at work.
For her, it's about investing in the future. Nikole Killion, CBS News, Rochester, New Hampshire.